Dear children, welcome back to our GS class. Today we are going to learn about GS second chapter, chapter name Plants and Animals. Okay, all of you take your textbook, page number 147. 147. Chapter name Plants and Animals. Okay, are you ready? Okay, children, we see many kinds of plants and animals around us, right? We see many kinds of plants and animals around us. Their shapes and sizes are different. Their shapes and sizes are different. Okay, then page number 147. Let us begin. You see, name two useful plants and two useful animals. Do you see that column? Name two useful plants and two useful animals. First you write plants. Plants number 1 and number 2. You write two useful plants. Any plants, useful plants. You write one useful plant's name, that's number 1 column. Then second useful plant's name, you write second column. Okay, for example, one useful plant or tree, coconut tree. Okay, coconut tree. Then other useful tree or plant, you write anyone. For example, mango tree, jackfruit tree, okay, papaya tree, any tree. Okay, then you write two useful animals. Two useful animal names. Okay, first column you write any useful animal. For example, cow, goat, hen, duck. Any two useful animals name you write that column. All of you write? Okay, very good. Okay, plants and animals are living things. Plants and animals are living things, right? Yes, plants and animals are living things. They need food to live. They need food to live. Okay, plants and animals. All plants and animals are living things. So they are need food to live. First we learn about food habits of plants and animals. Food habits of plants and animals. Okay. Plants are fixed to the ground. Plants are fixed to the ground. They do not have to move in search of food. They do not have to move in search of food. Okay. So they make their own food. So they make their own food. Plants are fixed to the earth or ground. They do not have to move in search of food. So they make their own food. Okay, most plants make their own food. All of you understand? Most plants make their own food. Do you understand? Most plants make their own food with the help of their leaves. Okay. Animals cannot make their own food. Animals cannot make their own food. They get their food from plants or other animals. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. Do you understand? Animals cannot make their own food. They get their food from plants or other animals. Animals like cow, goats and elephants eat plants. Animals such as cows, goats and elephants eat plants. So these animals are called herbivorous animals. These animals are called herbivorous animals. Do you understand? Which type of animals called herbivorous animal? Plant eating animals. For example, goat, cow, elephants, etc. These animals eat only plants. Don't eat other animals' flesh. Do you understand? So these animals are called herbivorous animals. Okay. Okay, dears. Then animals such as lions, tigers and foxes eat other animals. Do you understand? Animals such as lions, tigers and foxes eat other animals' flesh. Okay, these type of animals are called carnivorous animals. These type of animals are called carnivorous animals. Which type of animals are called carnivorous animals? Yes, animals such as animals like lions, tigers, foxes eat other animals' flesh. These animals don't eat plants. Do you understand? These animals only eat flesh. Other animals' flesh. So these animals are called carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals. All of you understand? Okay, dear children, do you understand herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals? Herbivorous animals example? Yes, cow, goat and elephant. Okay. പുല്ല് തിന്നുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്ലാന്റ്സ്, ഇലകൾ, പുല്ല് ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ തിന്നുന്ന ആനിമൽസ് ഇല്ലേ? മറ്റ് ജീവികളെ ഒന്നും തിന്നാതെ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് മാത്രം തിന്നുന്ന ആനിമൽസിനെ നമ്മൾ ഹെർബിവോറസ് ആനിമൽസ് എന്ന് പറയും. ദെൻ കാർണിവേഴ്സ് ആനിമൽസോ? കാർണിവേഴ്സ് ആനിമൽസ് മറ്റ് ജീവികളെ കൊന്ന് തിന്നുന്ന ആനിമൽസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റ് ജീവികളുടെ ഫ്ലഷ്, മാംസം കഴിക്കുന്ന ആനിമൽസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ കാർണിവേഴ്സ് ആനിമൽസ് എന്ന് പറയാം. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ടൈഗർ, ലയൺ ആൻഡ് ഫോക്സസ്. ഓക്കെ, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ, വെരി ഗുഡ്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വി ആർ discuss about breathing organs in animals. Okay, breathing organs in animals and plants. Animals and plants. Okay, animals cannot live without breathing. Okay, am I right? All living things can breathe. All living things cannot live without breathing. Okay, all living things cannot live without breathing. Different animals have different animals have different organs for breathing. Do you understand? Different animals have different organs for breathing. Okay, first we study about plants breathing organ. Plants breathing organ. You know plants breathing organ? Yes, stomata. Plants breathing organ, stomata. Okay, plants take in air through tiny openings called stomata present on their leaves. Plants take in air through tiny openings called stomata present on their leaves. Plants take in air through tiny opening called stomata present on their leaves. Do you understand? Plants in the leafil tiny opening, very small opening. Okay, ചെറിയ ഒരു സുഷിരം, ചെറിയത് അത് ലീഫിലാണുള്ളത്. ആ ടൈനി ഓപ്പണിങ്ങിലൂടെയാണ് ആര് ബ്രീത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഓൾ പ്ലാന്റ്സ്. Do you understand? All plants and trees. Then plants, trees, breathing organs name stomata. Stomata in plants leaf. Okay, do you understand? Then next we discuss animals breathing organs. Animals such as monkeys, lions and dogs breathe through lungs. Human beings also. Okay, animals such as monkeys, lions, dogs and human beings also breathe through their lungs. Okay, lungs are the breathing organs for animals like monkeys, lions, cats, goats, cows, then human beings. Do you understand? Okay, next we discuss about fishes breathing organ. Okay, gills are the breathing organs of fish. Gills are breathing organs of fishes. Fishes have gills which help them to breathe in water. Gills. ഗിൽസിലൂടെയാണ് ഫിഷസ് മീനുകൾ ബ്രീത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അവർ വളരുന്നത് എവിടെയാണ്? വെള്ളത്തിലല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ വെള്ളത്തിൽ ജീവിക്കുന്ന ഈ ഫിഷസ് ബ്രീത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നത് അവരുടെ ബ്രീതിങ് ഓർഗാൻസ് ആയ ഗിൽസിലൂടെയാണ്. Do you understand? Then next, whales and dolphins. You know whales and dolphins? Whales and dolphins are water animals. Am I correct? But whales and dolphins live in water but breathe through lungs or gills. Dolphins and whales are water animals. You know, dolphins and whales are water animals, but they breathe their breathing organs. Which organ? Lungs, not gills. Okay, whales and dolphins breathe the help of their lungs. Do you understand? Okay. Dear students, all of you watch this video very carefully.
Living things breathe. We all know that all living beings breathe in air to live and survive. But do all living beings breathe in air in the same way? Let's find out. Human beings breathe in air through the nose. The air we take in through the nose goes and collects in the lungs, in our chest. Just like us, many other living beings like cow, goat, lion, crow and rat also breathe through their nose and lungs. What about fish? Do fish have a nose to breathe in? No, fish have gills. Gills are special organs that help fish take in air from the water. When water passes through the gills, air present in water is absorbed by the gills. Now look at this bee. Does it have nose or gills to breathe? No. Insects like bees breathe in air through holes called spiracles present on their bodies. On the other hand, worms like the earthworm breathe through their skin. Even frogs breathe through their skin when they are in the water. When on land, frogs breathe in air through their lungs just like us. But what about plants? They don't have any breathing organ like gills, nose or spiracles. Then how do they breathe? Plants breathe in air through very tiny hole-like openings called stomata present on their leaves. As these openings are very small, we cannot see them with our plain eyes. So now you know how different kinds of living things breathe with the help of different organs.
Okay, dears, do you watch that video? Do you understand anything? Do you see organs of breathing organs of animals and plants in that video? Okay. Stomata, whose breathing organ? Stomata. Yes, plants breathing organ called stomata. Okay. Then lungs, whose breathing organ? Lungs. Yes, animals breathing organs, lungs. Okay. Then gills. Water animals breathing organ? Gills. Okay. But whales and dolphins are water animals, but they breathe their help of their lungs. Dolphins and whales have lungs, not gills. Do you understand? Okay, dear students, what organ do you need to breathe? Do you need to breathe? We are need to breathe with the help of which organ? Which organ? Yes, stomata. We are breathe the help of stomata. No, we are breathe the help of with the help of lungs. Okay, do you understand? Stomata, lungs, gills, these three organs of breathing organs. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand this class? All of you read the page number 147 and 148. Read 5 or more times. Okay, read very carefully. Then this parts question and answers will send your WhatsApp group soon. Okay, then all of you write some dictation words in this chapter. Okay, all of you take your notebook and pencil. Okay, are you ready? Okay, your dictation words. First word, lungs. Lungs. Okay, then second word, stomata. Stomata. Then third word, gills. Gills. Then fourth word, breathing. Breathing. Next, fifth word, food habits. Food habits. Lungs, stomata, gills, breathing, food habits. These 5 words you write 10 times. Each word you write 10 times in your notebook. Okay. Then send my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, all of you take page number 147. Page number 47. I read this chapter one time. All of you listen. Chapter 2, Plants and Animals. Name 2 useful plants and 2 useful animals. Plants, coconut tree and mango tree. Then animals, cow, hen. Okay. Then you already know that both plants and animals are living things, but they are so different from each other. Let us find out the differences. Food habits. Most plants make their own food. Animals cannot make their own food. They get their food from plants or other animals. Animals such as cow, goats and elephants eat plants. Animals such as lions, tigers and foxes eat other animals. Then take next page. Breathing. Plants take in air through tiny opening called stomata present on their leaves. Animals such as monkeys, lions, cats and dogs breathe through lungs. Gills are the breathing organs of fish. Whales and dolphins live in water, but breathe through lungs. Okay, these 2 pages you read 5 or more times. Okay, dear children, we will meet next class. Assalamu alaikum.